Hello, guys. Welcome back. So, if you're having trouble cashing out your earnings on DoorDash, it can be frustrating, especially when you expect instant access to your money, but the transfer doesn't go through. Sometimes the cash out option doesn't work, gets delayed, or shows an error, which can leave you confused about what's causing the problem. In most cases, this issue is related to account setup, payment details, or temporary system restrictions rather than a major fault. Since DoorDash uses secure payment processing, even small mismatches or timing issues can block the transaction. So, in this video, I'll guide you through the exact steps to fix DoorDash cash out problems and get your earnings transferred successfully. Try these. 1. Check that your bank account or card details are entered correctly. 2. Ensure your account is fully verified and active. 3. Log out and log back into the DoorDash app. 4. Use a stable internet connection while cashing out. 5. Update the DoorDash app to the latest version. 6. Wait and retry the cash out if the issue persists.